Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1957 Dodge Wagon, a bold reinterpretation of a classic icon infused with modern performance and design. Its striking silhouette and powerful presence immediately turn heads wherever it goes. Starting from the lower left, you'll notice the sweeping chrome accents that trace the body's curves with a retro flair. Moving upward, the dual-beam LED headlights blend vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge lighting. The broad front grille, with its intricate detailing, ensures optimal airflow while retaining its signature 1950s personality. As we pan to the right, the front fascia's balance of elegance and aggression stands out. Dropping down to the lower right, the chrome bumper and settle splitter showcase both heritage and function. Finally, sweeping back to the left, every surface and contour pays tribute to the era it was born in, while proudly stepping into the future. A blend of nostalgia and innovation built for those who appreciate both form and function. As we transition to the rear, the design continues to impress with wide haunches and a powerful stance. The vertical taillights, inspired by the original design, now feature LED elements for a crisp and vibrant glow. Shifting toward the center, the Dodge badge sits boldly on the tailgate, a symbol of timeless American design. Below that, the dual-polished exhaust tips hint at the performance within, delivering a deep and confident rumble. Panning further to the right, the subtle tail fins and contoured lines add drama and flair. Now coming down to the lower left, the sculpted rear bumper frames the design with strength and character. This is more than a wagon, it's a revival of classic ingenuity with a modern soul. Inside, the 1957 Dodge Wagon brings retro luxury together with advanced technology in a truly engaging interior. Vintage-inspired leather seats with contrast piping provide both comfort and style. The dash features a digital-analog hybrid cluster that honors the past while presenting the future. Moving across, the center console houses a modern infotainment system that blends seamlessly into the design. Down to the lower right, you'll see retro toggle switches paired with performance-inspired pedals, a nod to classic motoring. Swinging back to the left, the spacious cabin is crafted to deliver a unique, immersive driving experience. Every inch of the interior is tailored to connect you to the road while celebrating a rich automotive legacy. From the side, the long, sweeping profile of the Dodge Wagon captures the essence of American automotive history. The extended hood, elongated roofline, and lowered stance give it presence and proportion. Moving upward, the chrome roof rails and window surrounds enhance its vintage charm. As we pan across, the bold two-tone paint and subtle badging add personality. Dropping down, the white wall-inspired wheels paired with performance rubber deliver grip with grace. Finally, back to the left, the lower side skirts complete the look with a purposeful stance. A timeless cruiser, reimagined for today's driver. Under the hood, the 1957 Dodge Wagon is no slouch when it comes to performance. Powered by a 5.7L HEMI V8, it produces an exhilarating 400 horsepower. As we move upward, the custom engine cover and strut brace showcase engineering excellence. Across the center, the performance-tuned suspension and selectable drive modes offer control and confidence on any road. To the right, traction management and modern braking ensure safety and performance go hand in hand. Finally, returning to the left, the entire setup delivers a driving experience that's equal parts classic cruising and modern muscle. A perfect harmony of retro charm and present-day performance engineering. Now let's talk value and why the Dodge Wagon is making waves. The modern 1957 Dodge Wagon starts around $58,000, with top performance packages reaching $72,000. As we move up, you'll find a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty that adds peace of mind. Across the center, maintenance is made manageable with durable, proven components. Panning right, the blend of style, heritage, and practicality makes it a dream for collectors and drivers alike. Finally, coming back to the left, it's your opportunity to own a piece of the past, rebuilt for the roads of today. If you're ready to experience a masterpiece that bridges two eras, head to your nearest Dodge dealership and make history your own. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.